And the executive of the Jamaica Police Federation has described as mischievous the circulation of a message to officers indicating that the organization yesterday signed a new wage agreement with the government. Executive member of the Federation, Arlene McBean, urged members to disregard the message.
I chose to send a voice note because they cannot cut and paste and duplicate my voice. So I am saying to you, send around this voice note and let the enemy know that we are in this together and we have never met with the Prime Minister. We are still awaiting a feedback for an urgent meeting, and up to this point, which is now 4:16, no response has been received from the office of the Prime Minister. Kindly note, the message is a sham, it is a scam to thwart the efforts and the good move that the Federation is trying to achieve for the hard-working men and women of the rank and file cohort of the Jamaica Constabulary Force.